everyone, welcome to the Food Safety and Quality Team Food Preservation video series. In this video, we're going to learn how to water bath and pressure can foods safely. So let's get started. The goal of food preservation is to increase the shelf life of food while still keeping it safe to eat. For consumers to safely preserve foods at home, research-based methods and recipes can be found at any state extension website. The National Center for Home Food Preservation is operated by the University of Georgia Extension, and it's well known for their research-based home food preservation expertise. Both water bath and pressure canning methods involve placing food in specified standard canning jars that are sealed with two-piece lids. The jars are heated high enough to destroy harmful microorganisms and inactivate enzymes. This heating and later cooling forms a vacuum seal. This vacuum seal prevents further microorganisms from entering the jar and contaminating the food during storage. The first step in any preservation process is to gather and clean all equipment and all food prep surfaces. Wash hands, preferably in your bathroom sink, before preparing your products so you don't contaminate your kitchen sink. Once cleaned and ready to go, begin preparing produce by washing it thoroughly. For the best quality product, gather your product and preserve it as soon as possible. Pressure canning is necessary for low-acid foods, which includes red meats, seafood, poultry, all fresh vegetables, and some varieties of tomatoes. These foods can harbor a nasty bacteria called Clostridium botulinum, which can be found in the soil and in the air. Pressure canning for a certain amount of time at a temperature of 240 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit is the only way that you're going to destroy the botulinum spores and make these foods safe for a longer storage life. I can't stress this enough. Please follow tested recipes, correct jar size, processing time, pounds of pressure, and the cool down time for correctly preserved low acid products. Water bath canning is necessary for high acid foods, which includes fruits, except for figs and some varieties of tomatoes. The acid content of many other foods can be increased by adding lemon juice, citric acid, or vinegar. Canned fruits and foods made from fruits, such as jams, jellies, marmalades, and fruit butters, and foods with added acid, like pickles, can be safely canned in a water bath canner. Acid foods contain enough acidity to block bacterial growth or destroy them more rapidly when heated. Water bath canned foods must be immersed in water with 1 to 2 inches of water above the jars, so the water will circulate around the entire jar and boil for a certain amount of time. Following science-based recipes is necessary to have the safest product possible. Altitude affects the temperature at which water boils. This is important in canning food at home. Water boils at lower temperatures as altitude increases. The lower boiling temperatures are less effective for killing bacteria. If you live at altitudes of 1,000 feet or more, you may need to increase the processing time or canner pressure to compensate for the lower boiling temperatures. For the boiling point at various altitudes, contact your local county extension office and talk with a food safety agent. For more information, check out our website at www.aces.edu.